afterglow, just thinking of you. You're lovely, with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you, and the way you look tonight. With each word your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose, it touches my foolish heart. Love me, don't you ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love just the way you do.
Congratulations, guys. Hours and hours of practice. And there's just one thing else left to say. Let's get this party started, huh?